Wayan. Back on a mountain road again. It's 24 hours since I did a diving, and since today is no diving, I'm going to the mountains. Today's plan is to go the road I did a couple of episodes ago, find a waterfall and just do it all around. So this road actually starts at Wayan beach. So I'm just going to go through these things and show you what you can see on the way to. And if you like this video, consider to subscribe. You know, it's really important actually that someone is supporting you with subscriptions. It's like a kind of on one side the numbers is not really important, but it really helps me to understand and to develop this channel. I'm doing my best. You can check out the previous videos, so consider to subscribe. Local people show me the trail to the waterfall. From the distance it looks really big one, but we'll see how much water we have in there at the moment. Makasih Pak.
Wayan.
Martin. It's not that much water at the moment here, but I can imagine when there is a rain, it must be really beautiful. Thank you Wayan for showing me this place. When you're visiting the country for the first time, it's so important that some local is showing you that. I'm also kind of local because I'm living a long time here. I understand the things better, and I know the places where no one else knows. But the people usually doing mistake, they watching all these videos of the tourists who are kind of travel vloggers. So they actually been following recommendations of other tourists. There's a kind of cycle of going nowhere. You're visiting just these famous places, but you don't see really the country, the real beauty of the country. Definitely look for the people who know country from the inside, who's not just the travelers. I love this place. I would like to come back when there is a little bit more water. Beautiful. It's been happening to me when I'm visiting the country and I say, no, that's not the country I like. And but then accidentally you visit the same place or same country with another people, and you look at the things completely different. So it's so important with whom you travel, or because these people actually making your expressions of this country and emotions about this country. And that's really important. When I'm following someone, I have to be really careful looking around, because if I'm following someone, I just trust the people and I can get easily lost, just because I'm not being careful enough to look at the trail. I'm back on the trail, Wayan invited me to drink some coffee with him. Why not? Asian people are so hospitable. I'm not talking about the tourism areas. In the tourism areas, people are just spoiled and they don't want to do anything just for free or for fun. But in the most areas, like for example in Amed, the people are just happy to show these hidden gems of the nature. Just simply like today, I didn't ask the guy to show me the waterfall. Actually, I asked, I just asked where is the waterfall. And the guy just followed me and showed me it. And actually they are not waiting that you will pay them. They are just curious and it's fun for them to show you the things, what they like. They said, okay, when you will finish filming, just come to my house, I will give you coffee. That's the real hospitality of the Asian people. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. You're not back home where everyone trying to get the money out of you. This is not the place. If you are in Semenya Kuta, you spoil that people. In the beginning they were the same as these people, you just spoil them simply. And then when you're giving them money, then of course they start asking more money, because previous time you gave money and now you're not giving. So it's the same, like for example, you take care about some dog or cat, you feed it, and then you simply just stop giving a food to the cat, and of course there will be a lot of noise. So why are you doing it then? No one really asks you. Like for example, for the taxi, right? Everybody's so upset about the taxi drivers, and they are trying to get the money out of you. But it started, the beginning was really simple actually. The beginning was someone was going from point A to point B, and instead of, let's say, taxi driver ask you to pay only 100,000 rupees, and because you were happy about the service and it felt so cheap for you, you gave 150. To the next time someone is going the same distance, that guy will ask already 150. So we're spoiling people and then getting upset. That's something I don't understand. So before you spoil people, think about that. I understand that you're earning a lot of money back home, and here in Asia it feels really cheap, all these things what you get for the double and triple price back home. But please don't spoil people, especially they don't ask to do it. Like I said, people are just happy to show, and they are not asking for anything. Like for example, did you know that it's not a tradition for the Asian people to take tips? I remember when I started living in the Philippines and I gave some tip to someone, and the person got really confused. Sian. Sian. And the guy got really confused just because he didn't know what is it, that tip. He was just happy to do it just because he felt that it's a kind of good to do it. Well, yeah. Reflected a little bit of light on the countryside of Amed. I'm happy I discovered a new road, new place, which is amazing actually. The place by itself is amazing. The views in that place it's just incredible. And of course, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.